Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Thanks for joining me today. And today I just wanted to quickly come and share with you my January customer thank you packs for all of the people who shopped with me for their Stampin' Up during January. And what I do, and it's a way of me being able to thank my customers within the budget restraints of my earnings as a demonstrator. You know, my business is growing, but it's still at quite a small. I'm still at quite a small level demonstrator, and so what I decided to do was create these like mini craft kits and the project kits. Basically, my customers every month get one of these, and it's full of all of the goodies that they need to create some projects that I have designed just for them. So everything's in there, and this one's based on the All My Love suite. So in here is the DSP and the cardstock. We've got die cuts, we've got punch outs, everything that they need to create the projects except for the stamp set. But I do design my thank you packs very carefully so that they could use a stamp set that they've already got. You know, there's no point sending a thank you pack for them to have to then go out and buy something to go with it. That's not the idea. It is a complete thank you. So, you know, you can add a sentiment of your choice or use what stamp sets you've already got. Now in this one, you know, we get sweeties every month so they can have a little nibble, and while they're having a look through what's in there, there's a handmade thank you card in there, handmade by me, the little note in, and a customer loyalty voucher. And basically the customers save them up, and when you get 10, I think you can claim a free adhesive pack. All the details are over on my blog. I've got a specific page about my customer loyalty tokens, and I think 20 tokens gets you a free DSP pack of your choice, and so on and so on. And this pack has also got some of the heart epoxy droplets in. There are some stamping dimensionals in there, and there's also a yard of the classic weave ribbon, which is a white colour. So it is like a mini craft kit. And as I say, they get the links to the private tutorial. So if you are one of my customers who shopped with me in January, don't forget to check your email box early in the week, from when you see this video, early in the week after you see this video. Not quite sure when it'll go up, and do look for the link, because I will be sending it to you for you to view the video to create all of these lovely projects. So just wanted to share that with you about how I do thank my customers. And next month, as well as the crafty kit, project kit and videos, I'm also going to be gifting some of the celebration ribbons. I managed to get hold of a load before they went out of stock, and so all of my customers next month will be getting a reel of that in with their thank you pack. I love creating these. You know, I don't have a huge budget for thank you gifts, you know, but what I can do is I can invest my own time in creating these, and I would value these with the product, because I use all of the stamping rewards. Every single penny of the stamping rewards goes in these kits. And then on top of that, I do the private videos. So I would value these craft kits, these project kits that I gift, I would value these at about £20, and then you're also getting the customer loyalty vouchers. So they're well worth having. You know, and it encourages you to get crafting, and you can come and get crafting with me. So I'll leave that with you. Just wanted to share, and I'll probably share again another month, just to remind people of the lovely thank you gifts that I give to my awesome customers who I absolutely adore. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.